Hi guys, welcome to Veggie Mama, and today my mom is going to show you how to open up a jackfruit and also talk about the benefit of the jackfruit. First you're going to use some coconut oil because the jackfruit is very stainy, so you want to make sure you have some oil in your hands to just for the stain not to stick to your hand like that. As you can see, the jackfruit, you could smell the jackfruit in the house. It smells so good. And the jackfruit has so much nutrients in it. I mean, growing up I eat jackfruit all the time, but not knowing about the nutrients that's in it, I know it was good for you. You know, it gives give you a lot of energy. Jackfruit is very rich in vitamins and minerals. Have vitamin B6. And the vitamin B6 that's in the jackfruit is fulfill about 25% of your body requirement daily, and that's what's in the jackfruit. It's high in fiber, and jackfruit also have a lot of water in it, and you know water is good for the skin also, so that's very good. It helps with it has vitamin C. Like I said before, give you energy. It's good for the skin. It also maintain healthy blood pressure. So that's very good. Iron is high in iron, potassium, improved digestion, helps with cancer. It's good for the eye. It's high in vitamin A. It's good for aging. Good for asthma. Good for the bone. So it's a lot of benefit eating jackfruit. And when it's open, it's like this. See, this is the meat, and this is this seed right here. We actually eat the seed. We're gonna cook it, boil it in some water, and it tastes like potatoes. Really good. Okay, so the core of the jackfruit is taken out, and now my mom is gonna separate the meat from the seed. So this is the meat of the jackfruit. So nice that is. This is the seed that we're gonna use. And this is the finished product, the jackfruit. Not really finished product. This is the result that we get. How many? Look at this. Delicious, fresh jackfruit. It smells and it tastes so sweet, right, Mama? It's really sweet.
It's sweet.
And these are the seeds. Like I said, this is the seed right there, and it's covered.
Okay.
And then we just take it out of the skin. And then you cook that seed. It tastes just like potatoes. Thanks for watching. I hope you like, share, and subscribe.